All right. Good day, everyone. So, are you having the same problem with me with these positions on our display sa ECDIS? Ano po? Yan, no? Sobrang dami na. So, kung isa-isahin mo po ito ng pagbura, medyo kakain po ng oras. So, it will take time if you are going to delete one by one, you know? So, let us try to delete this one once yung isahan lang po, ano po? Titingnan natin kung gagana itong mga input ng ating mga kabaro sa previous nating mga video. Kasi nagkaroon na ako ng video nito on how to conceal, kung paano lang natin itago itong mga positions na natin na nakalagay sa ating ECDIS. But this time, we will try to delete all these positions that we have on our ECDIS. Okay? So, lalabas lang tayo, exit tayo. Okay? Exit. And then right-click. Ayan, password 1103. Okay? Yan, nakalagay, recovery tool, delete non-ENC files. Are you sure? Okay. So, yun lang po kabilis, ano? Titingnan natin, balik tayo sa ating navigation and planning. I hope it will work. Or it work. Alright. Nawala nga. Alright. Thank you. So, nandito pa rin ho tayo sa ating mapa, pero yung ating mga positions kanina, as you can see, all has been deleted, okay? So, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. I hope it will help to those who are having the same problem also with the ECDIS, ano po. So, yun lang po. God bless you all. Follow for more po.